Well, hello, Williams, Philippines. It is Wednesday, April 30th, at about almost right at 1 o'clock p.m. on Wednesday, April 30th, 2025. Yeah, I'm tired. I don't know how I'm still standing. Did get a bunch of things out of here. Uh, Cousin came over. Hey, Marv. Came over and got some things. Got them out of here. Yay. And that's a good thing. And I got into the big metal trash can went bye bye, along with another big metal trash can went bye bye. $20. But a bunch of other stuff went out the door and ain't really worried about it. What little that I did want price on, I wasn't trying to really. His cousin. Half of it I just, like I say, I charged him for the two metal trash cans. Everything else, pretty much, he got out of there. Yeah. Have a good day. Enjoy. Carry it over and wave it under Aunt Cat's nose and see how it works. Sorry. uh, I'm tired. But it's been a good day. I'm just very long one. And I just finished eating. Picked up takeout from Texas Chicken Bowl, which is my favorite restaurant here in Amarillo. I'm going to miss that place. And the little gal that was working the counter, I said, I'm about to fly away. And she says, what? Yeah. I'm going to miss Texas Chicken Bowl. They're good people. I've been going to that place for, God, 21 years? Yeah. As far as I'm concerned, like I say, in my opinion, it's the best restaurant in Amarillo for me. Uh, don't get me wrong, I also have my favorite, place for burritos and such. And I got two computers for that. And I like them both. Problem is, they both went up on prices way too much. Of course, that's everything nowadays. I remember getting uh, six 6.50. Yeah, $6.50 for the little Texas Chicken Bowl from the Texas Chicken Bowl. It is now $9. Whew, it's gone up. Nothing's cheap anymore. Oh, and I can tell you, I have decided to go ahead and pop the top on a bottle of whiskey. Yeah, I can honestly say that one's good enough to drink straight up without any soda to dilute it out. And I did take a couple of shots. I'm feeling very relaxed at this point. Yeah, I'm about to get this done, get it in the can, upload it, and call it a day. Go to sleep. Did that yesterday, went straight off to bed. And yeah, I ended up getting what? Well, I went to bed about, what was it? I was in bed before 10 and asleep by 10. And then I woke up about 4. And by 4:20, I was back in bed. And I slept until about 8:30. I got me a good bit of sleep. I needed it. Problem is, I woke up early enough that now I've been up, 8:30 to, let's see, it's 1. Yeah. I've been up a bit. I'm ready for the day to be done. So, yeah, I'm 16, 17. Yeah. By the time I get done, it'll be, yeah, pushing 17. if I'm doing my math right. I'm not even sure of that right now. But yeah, I got up in there and I gave my cousin, I says, here, take this to the recycling place. A whole box full of old spin drives with those magnets in them. Yeah, he was happy to get that. He says, hell, I might just take them apart myself. That's what I was going to do. Completely take them apart and get rid of what I didn't want and keep what I wanted, was those big magnets. Didn't get around to it, and well, his eyes lit up and he was happy with them, so yay. Uh, yeah, and he got a bunch of other stuff that can go to the recycling place. Here, take it, go. I could have got it. Ain't gonna stress it. Got more. I just need to get it out of the house. He can go make the money on it. Yay. But yeah, and I still got beekeeping equipment, I think. And my fish tanks outside, they filled up 5 inches of water. I'm all not happy about that. Uh, that's the hazard of it raining like it has. A lot of things filled up with water. I noticed that my fish pond has water. Oh, crap. Oh, hang on, I gotta check some mail. Yay! And I need to put that up on the charger here. Yeah, oh, dang. That's under 25 or 20%. Yeah, let those things charge up. Did I put that up? No, I did that upside down. Damn it. Beep. Okay, I got those charging. Anyway, yeah, got my other order from the pharmacy today. Caught my last bit of groceries. Probably won't need to go to the grocery store again for as long as I'm here, except for bread, milk, and cheese. Uh, they had some sausage on sale. I couldn't pass it. So yeah, got a couple things I'm gonna cook. Uh, got a ribeye from Eads uh, Meat Market. I bought a whole half a cow, and yeah, I can see the bottom of my ice chest, which is good. My chest freezer, and I'm eating a lot of meat lately. It's good. Meat and veggies. Trying to stick toward that. But today I broke off and went to a bunch of rice. It was good. I am not afraid of rice. I'm going to a place that considers rice to be breath, more like air than food. It is what it is. Anyway, I hope you all have had a blessed day. It's my Friday evening and I'm late in the evening for it. The little gal at the restaurant was, why are you always so tired? Well, I said, I work nights. This is like 11 o'clock at night for me, 12 o'clock almost. Well, what do you expect? There might be a reason. I'm out of sync with the world here, but in the Philippines, I'm in time with y'all an hour behind. I can catch up. Anyway, I hope y'all have a blessed day. William Williams, Philippines. Come along, like, subscribe, comment, do a 3-ring circus or handstand. I don't care. It's your choice. Life happens. Decide. Lots of food, lots of friends, lots of family. And again, yay, more food. Because we all need more food. There's just too many people starving in the world. And that's one thing I don't like about here in America. So much stuff goes to waste. Anyway, I'm Williams, Philippines. Later blessings. Bye bye. I'm Fish, and Fish is out.